Bye, Mom. Love you.
Good morning.
Welcome to school. Thank you. It's so good to see you. Have a great day.
Hi, I'm Isla. I'm going to show you what it's like to be in kindergarten.
My name's Ben. I'm in 7th grade. Let me show you what it's like to be in middle school.
Hi, I'm Fiona and I'm a senior. Let me show you what it's like to be in high school.
Come on, let's go.
In English Lid's the first set of our day. This is my English group.
Social studies class right now. We are learning about the American Revolution.
This has a bar. Yes, did you say?
It's Ash Wednesday, so we're just setting up.
I am at Ashland Gymnast right now. Dr. King.
I'm ready to serve it. Will God help us for the Easter Bunny?
We're in gym. We are doing review on our whiteboard. We'll do time.
This is a Chick-fil-A. I like the kids menu. I don't order kids menu. We're going to lunch now.
This is the lounge. We're in the study hall now, and I'm doing some calculus.
Last class of the day.
We're leaving school.
Average day track.
One Real Academy track star. The big winner of
That was funny.